people would pay any price for it. The secret weapon of every fashionable girl is long, sharp nails. Looks like it's time to trim my nails. Where are my nail clippers? I'm gonna trim them right now. Whoops! This is an enemy attack! War is war! My trench will be here! A battle disguise! Enemy, watch out! I'm on the warpath! Take that! What was that? Break out the big guns! Here's a grenade, losers! Get down! Phil, honey, wake up! Phil! Hey! What? Where am I? You got too carried away with your video game. Wow! So it means this was just a dream? But why do I have war paint on? There's something weird going on here. Class, we're taking our final exam. I'll take a pic quickly while Mr. Cosine is looking the other way. Phil needs me to help him with math. I'm gonna type the answer, or not. I can't type a text with these long nails. What do I do? I know, a voice message. It's so easy. Yay! Lillian sent me the answer. A voice message? No, not this. I'll try listening. How interesting. Put your phone away right now. No cheating during a test. Well, Lillian, you really helped me out. My phone is ringing, but how do I get it out of my back pocket? It's impossible with my long nails. What do I do? Excuse me, I need your help. Could you help me take my phone out of my pocket? I can't do it alone with my long nails. Sure, here's your phone. Thanks a lot. It's so nice. It's the latest version. I could do with one like this too. Bye. Oh no! Stop, thief! This shade will be perfect. I just have to do my hair. I actually won't need this old brush anymore because I have new long nails instead. That's convenient. I love it. Oh no! What about me? It's all over! These stupid shoelaces again! Phil! Help! Honey, help me tie my shoelaces. I can't do it with my long nails. Please, help me out. Fine, I'll help. Done! Thanks! Oh, Phil, that's me! How could you? I will never forgive you for this! My revenge will be terrible! I'll throw all your favorite stuff out! Your cologne goes in the trash, and the lotion too! And this! Oh, your favorite head massager! You will never see it again! Lillian, sweetheart, I'm so sorry. I was wrong, and the shoelace prank wasn't funny at all. These flowers are for you. Phil, babe, the flowers are really nice. Thanks, I forgive you. Hang on, where's my head massager? Where did you put it? It's priceless. There is nothing you can replace it with. Tell me what happened to it. Babe? Calm down. Take a seat. We'll talk about it. No need to be mad. It's fine. I know. You will definitely love this head massager. Do you like it? Oh, it's great. Thanks, babe. I feel amazing. Phil isn't angry anymore. Sometimes long nails come in handy. Lillian, babe, I'm waiting. Phil, hi. These wonderful slippers are for you. Wow! I've loved Goofy since I was a kid. My stylish pedicure is kinda in the way. Oops! Goofy suddenly turned into a werewolf with fangs. But they fit like a glove. Honey, your pedicure! Give me the other slipper! No way! I'm going to save this Goofy! I'm bored. Nothing is going on. What do I do? Oh, right! I'm gonna listen to music. The headphones are stuck. Oh no! The wire tore! What a bad day! Let's see how much money's in my piggy bank. Now is the time to spend. This is unbelievable! I did it! Amazing new wireless headphones! And now they are mine! Wow! I'll take the case out. This is not that easy, but I can handle it. Let's look at you, my treasures. How do I get you out? I can't do it. There's no way I can pick them up. I'll get you out. Come on, fall into my palm. Does gravity have no effect on you? There you go. It worked. You are so nice, so tiny, and smooth. Too tiny and too smooth. It's impossible! Nothing works! My nails are too long, and they won't let me put my headphones on. Well, hello, my good old wired friends. And this electrical tape doesn't look that bad, but I can easily put them on. Dinner will be ready soon. And meanwhile, I can play my favorite game. What is this smell? No! My dinner! It burned! I need to call the fire department. But I'm gonna break my nail if I do that. Nah, I changed my mind. I'm ready to go out, except that my tights slipped a bit. Let me fix it. Oh no! A hole! It's huge! What do I do? I don't have any time to change! Oh, right! Ripped tights are the hottest trend! I'll write Gucci so everyone knows! Great! Phil will be surprised when he sees my nails! They are so stylish! Hi, Amanda! I have a little surprise for you! Here! I hope you'll love it! Wow! It's for me! I'm so surprised! It's gloves? Oh no! This is awful! But why? What's wrong? Look at my manicure! I can't wear gloves with these nails! I have a great idea! Wait a second, I'm gonna fix it right now! Phil, you are so creative! Now my gloves fit perfectly! Thank you! I've always wanted some like this! What a funny video! I can't! I wonder who it is! Lillian, do me a favor! I really need your pink jacket! I'm begging you! Please! Okay, Jenna, fine! I'll go find it! Here you go! Thanks! You're the best! You saved me! It fits like a glove, doesn't it? Oh! There's a giant hole in the pocket! Jenna, you know it's because of my manicure. There's something stuck in my teeth, and there are no toothpicks! Amanda, do you have a toothpick? You can use my nail. Do you want it? No way! Thanks! You can keep it. Should I use a cactus? No, that's a bad idea. Can I have your coffee? This is much better. Did you like our video? Then comment below if you can relate to these long nail problems. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hilarious videos from Troom.